This is what is left of a Sunni Muslim protest camp after it was dismantled by police in Iraq's western Anbar province. And this is what happened when security forces entered the camp on Monday.
Allahu Akbar! Allahu Akbar!
Several people were killed, and in response, hours later, more than 40 members of the Iraqi parliament resigned. The MPs from a Sunni political alliance demanded the withdrawal of the army and the release of a Sunni politician who was arrested on Sunday. Prime Minister Nouri al-Maliki announced on Tuesday that the army would leave cities in Anbar province, but has yet to accept the resignations. In a statement read on national television, Maliki called on the armed forces to devote themselves to pursuing al-Qaeda hideouts in the desert of Anbar, and for the army to turn over the administration of the cities to the hands of the local and federal police.
This is a war between the Prime Minister al-Maliki and the people in Iraq. The members of his government, there are still Sunnis in his government. You have Shiites who are against it, like al-Mukhtar al-Sadr. So it is not a sectarian, it's a cross-sectarian. It is Maliki who is the new dictator of Iraq. He is the man who has excluded everybody from the political process.
Sunnis have been staging protests for months against what they consider as second-class treatment by the Shia-led government. The United Nations says more than 7,000 civilians and 950 security forces have been killed since January, the highest annual toll since 2008. With national elections expected in April, security is a growing concern as sectarian tensions continue to rise. Dorsa Jabari, Al Jazeera.